Unraveling the puzzle. Understanding, racking one's brain. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language: racking one's brain. If you've ever felt like you're trying really hard to remember something or solve a problem, then you're in the right place. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and share some examples to make your learning journey easier and more enjoyable. Racking one's brain is a phrase that describes the process of thinking very hard to recall something or solve a problem. It's like searching every corner of your mind for an answer or a solution. The word rack in this context implies stretching or straining. So when you're racking your brain, you're stretching it to its limits, trying to find what you need. The phrase has an interesting history. It is believed to come from the use of the word rack as a form of medieval torture, where individuals were stretched on a rack. The connection here is metaphorical, suggesting that when you're racking your brain, you're putting it through a sort of mental torture or strain in an effort to remember or figure something out. Using racking one's brain in a sentence is straightforward. It's often used when someone is trying to remember something that's on the tip of their tongue or solve a challenging problem. Here are a few examples. I've been racking my brain all day trying to remember where I left my keys. She was racking her brain to come up with a solution to the puzzle. Let's practice. Try to come up with your own sentences using racking one's brain. Think about a situation where you had to remember something important or solve a difficult task. How did you feel? Sharing your examples in the comments section below can help you remember this phrase and learn from others too. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of racking one's brain and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a new language is all about practice and patience. Don't be afraid to rack your brain a bit. It's all part of the learning process. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.